This video is how to draw a birthday cake. Alright, triple layered birthday cake with some custard on the inside. So the first shape that we are going to do, 3/4 up on your paper, you're going to draw a line going across. You're going to go down on both sides, and the icing is going to drip. So just make some lines like this, wavy lines, and then you connect to the other side. Alright, I'm going to go down again, go straight across. This is going to be one layer of the custard, so you make a long rectangle shape. Okay, go down again, more icing, so you make some drips. Doesn't have to be exactly like mine. Drips. Okay, another small layer of the cake, straight across for some custard in the middle. Doesn't have to be perfectly straight, so it looks kind of organic. It doesn't have to be perfectly straight. Okay, and then the third layer of cake. This one has no icing, so you're going to go across. And like I said, it doesn't have to be perfectly straight because cake is not geometric. It is organic looking. Now the cake has to be sitting on a plate. So you put your pencil on this side of the cake and go out, around like an oval shape, and back in. And then the plate's going to have an edge, the ledge of the plate. So you go again real skinny, real close to it, and then connect. So there's your plate the cake is sitting on. And now the candles, however many candles you want to put, so this drawing can be for your birthday or for someone else, but I'm doing this in tall, skinny rectangles, and they're in different directions, just to make it look appealing. However many, whatever age the birthday is, 7, 8, 9, different directions, just to show some creativity. We're going to have stripes, diagonal lines inside each candle, 2 or 3. Make them diagonal. Then you're going to color some flames at the top of the candles, and so it is like letter U, and then you point, go in, and then connect. So that's going to be on each one, the letter U, point going in, and connect. Okay, so you do that on each one, and they're not connecting. There's a little space in between each one. So you put a flame on each candle, and then when you color, you get your color pencils or your crayons, color whatever color icing you want, whatever custard. If you want chocolate cake, make it dark brown. Candles, usually flames are like orange, yellow, red. Make the colors of the candle stripes whatever color you want. Have fun coloring. Hopefully you had fun drawing this birthday cake. Draw them for you or your friend. If it's somebody's birthday, make a custom birthday card. Have fun. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and look for more fun, easy to draw videos using lines and shapes.